Welcome to AI's Guide to Building a Survival Shelter. Today, our AI friends will show you how to construct a safe and sturdy shelter using only natural materials found in the wild. Step 1 is choosing the right location. Look for a flat area that's elevated to avoid water accumulation and near natural resources like water and materials. Next, gather sturdy branches for the frame, flexible sticks for weaving, and leaves or grass for insulation. Construct the frame using strong branches. Ensure the structure is stable by securing the branches at key points. Weave smaller branches between the main supports to form walls. Use leaves, grass, and other natural materials to insulate and protect from the elements. Finally, the framework is complete. Our characters, including an experienced outdoors person, a curious beginner, and a practical thinker, demonstrate teamwork and creativity in harsh environments. They've shown us how to build a lean-to or A-frame style with sturdy branches, flexible sticks, and natural insulation. When in the wild, it's crucial to stay warm, dry, and safe. Follow these steps to build your own survival shelter. Stay safe out there. Like, comment, and subscribe.